They'll look at this era in 10 years and will be like, fuck, like, we had it so good. Now it sucks. Like, you always want what you can't have. You can't go back in time. Not yet, honey. Right now we're in a studio where I'm currently working on my debut album. This is where pretty much all of my music is made. This is kind of the sanctuary. I get to be very free here, and I think that's like an environment that you have to curate for yourself, and you have to be with the right people that you trust.
What are you obsessed with now?
Right now, I'm obsessed with my future. I'm really obsessed with how I think things will turn out for me, how much I love this music that I'm making. I think we're making some sick shit.
What are you consuming online now?
Right now, I'm consuming a lot of me content online, but I am just a human and I do look myself up on the internet all the time. Adéla is my number one thing on every search bar. Sorry. I love to see myself perform, and I love to see people loving me performing. Every time I like hit a note and it goes viral, I'm like, yes, and it should, because I did that well. And then sometimes obviously that doesn't work very well, because then there's people that are like mean too. So it's like, I thrust myself into it and I'm like, okay, what are people thinking? I need to stop doing that maybe.
Why was now the right time to release your first project?
I was at a point in my life where I had the freedom to explore who I am as an artist. I think it's the first time with the rise of like Chappell Roan that I saw the possibility of being a pop girl on your own without a team. I remember I saw her rise and I was like, she started this all on her own, and those early videos are like clearly low budget, but they just have so much soul and message and heart. And so I was like, oh, this is great. You can actually just do this on your own now, and people will understand it at some point.
How would you describe the pop music of today?
I think pop music of today is the most exciting it's been. We're in a really good spot with music, and I think they'll look at this era in 10 years and will be like, fuck, like, we had it so good. Now it sucks. Like, you always want what you can't have. You can't go back in time. Not yet, honey.
What are you watching now?
I am watching the Eras Tour documentary. It's pretty fucking crazy. Seeing what it takes to put on that show. I mean, like it or not, doing 255 stadiums is so fucking impressive. And, you know, nobody is doing that.
What are you reading now?
I am reading Britney Spears' biography right now.
Your favorite book ever?
My favorite book ever is Pride and Prejudice.
What are you listening to now?
I am listening to a lot of Black Eyed Peas right now. The End, specifically, it has so many hits and feels very nostalgic and genius. Also, Janet Jackson.
What are you wearing now?
I am wearing the Row and Raga and some Louboutins. I love a high-ass heel. I love like barely being able to walk in a heel. I find that very fabulous and very attractive.
Which artists are in your inner circle?
My best friends, Lara and Megan of Katseye. I'm very close with Demi Lovato. I'm going on tour with her. Billy Walsh. I love Julia Michaels. She's also an artist. Dylan Brady is an artist.
How do you support each other as you navigate this new era?
I think it's interesting, especially with like Lara and Megan, because we like kind of really went into this together and like come from the same beginning. It's really beautiful because we were friends before anybody was successful or doing anything. It just feels good that we found each other because I think we like saw this drive in each other and like wanted to be around each other, because I knew that no matter what happened, they would be successful, and they knew that no matter what happened, I would be successful. So it's quite beautiful.
What are you loving right now?
I am loving my self-discovery. I think I'm working really hard. I'm being very responsible, and that feels really good, and that makes me proud of myself, so I'm loving myself. Whoa, that not in like a self-love, but like kind of. Like, I guess.